Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload and analyze files in Claude. So I'm already on Claude tab here and I'm going to show you a couple of ways you can upload your files. One way is directly from your computer files. We can go over to the File Explorer window and locate the folder where our document is saved. In this case, I have right here. This is the project I want to analyze. It's that simple and just grabbing the file and dragging it directly into the chat to upload it. Another quick way is to click on the plus sign, select add files or photos, click show all and find the folder with our file. Select it and upload it right away. Now to get the best analysis of Claude, we need to keep two key things in mind. First, and most importantly, is the prompt we use. The prompts we write to analyze this file will guide how the task is handled. This depends entirely on how you want to break down the document. For example, whether you want to summarize it, write a synthesis, or strike key highlights. Whatever you need analyzed in your project must be explicitly detailed in the prompt. This way, Claude can run the analysis autonomously and lists everything clearly in the results. The second thing to consider is the reasoning model. Right now, I have set it to Sonnet, which is the most efficient option for daily tasks. It's fast and provides clear, direct answers to straightforward questions. Haiku, on the other hand, is the fastest model available. Its main priority is speed, though its answer might not always be the most precise for complex queries. Then we have the pro-tier models, Opus, which is the build for highly complex tasks and deep analysis, and Fable, which is the absolute highest tier of Claude reasoning models. For this task, Sonnet is more than enough and will work perfectly. I have a short prompt ready here to analyze the specific elements. First, I assigned it a clear note to act as an expert in document analysis. Next, I specify that I am loading a PDF of my project, and I outline the exact requirements it needs to follow. Read the entire PDF, understand the context, identify key sections, and analyze the data without skipping important details. I also ask it to answer any follow-up question afterward. Giving it a defined role ensures you get exactly the output you are looking for. I always tell it to cite the specific section or page where it found the information. This lets us keep track of exactly where Claude is pulling and summarize key points or conclusion from. And if it finds any errors or inconsistencies, it should point them out at the end. I also ask for a brief executive summary before answering the questions, and as you can see, I list exactly what to do, task by task. This is the most crucial part of the process. Now I will hit upload. It will take just a moment, and there we go. Here is the analysis of our project. Like I said, a lot depends on how you structure your prompt, and as you can see, it gives us a great synthesis of the project analysis.